Hi student, my name is Sang Supon. I am your teacher. I teach biology and today we will learn and study about circulatory system. Okay, see you in the lesson. Invertebrate circulation, the wide length of invertebrate body size and form is paralleled by a great diversity in circulatory systems. Gastrovacular cavities, open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Each type of animals have each kind of circulatory systems and gastrovacular cavities. Simple cnidarians such as jellyfish and hydra have a body wall only 2 cells thick that encloses a gastrovacular cavity. Functions in both digestion and distribution of substance throughout the body. Some cnidarians such as jellyfish have elaborate gastrovacular cavity. In the picture you will see the mouth and the hole in the mouth through the body we call gastrovacular cavity. Okay, next slide. Open and closed circulatory systems. More complex animals have 1 or 2 types of circulatory systems, open or closed. Both of these types is systems have 3 basic components. Both closed and open circulatory systems have 3 basic components. First, a circulatory fluid, blood or hemolymph, we call blood when it is a closed circulatory system, and we call hemolymph in the open circulatory system. 2, the cells of tube, both of 2 types must have a blood vessel, and the muscular pump, the heart, true heart or pseudo heart, that's the organ that can pump the blood. This slide, open circulatory system. In insects, other arthropods, and the most mollusks, except squid and octopus. You know, mollusk is a animal that have a soft body, can divide to clam and squid and octopus. If I say to clam have a open circulatory system, and squid and octopus have a closed circulatory system, you know. If I say about open circulatory system must pass the organ directly in an open circulatory system. In an open circulatory system, blood and interstitial fluids are the same. We call hemolymph. Let's see in the picture. You see heart that pump the blood into the blood vessels, and blood go out from the blood vessel through the cell. Surrounding the cell we call interstitial fluid. In the open circulatory system we call hemolymph. Because hemolymph is around the organ, okay? But all hemolymph return to heart through artery, which has a valve that's closed during heart contraction. In the insect, have a tubular heart, but in the human, that is a closed circulatory system in heart too. I will speak about the closed circulatory system. In the closed circulatory system, blood is confined to vessels. You know, confined to vessel. Confined to vessel is in the vessel all the time and is distinct from the interstitial fluid. Is separate because there are blood vessels that are continuous blood vessels. Closed systems are more efficient at transporting circulatory fluid to tissue and cells. You observe in picture. You observe picture how pump the blood into the blood vessel, and blood is in the blood vessel, continue on in the blood vessel and pump to the heart again. You see that interstitial fluid is different from blood because they were with blood vessels. In the below picture, you can see the first sperm. A sperm model you can see auxiliary heart or pseudo heart. There are so many ventral vessels and dorsal vessels in a sperm. We call this system closed circulatory system. Survey of vertebrate circulation. Human and other vertebrates have a closed circulatory system, often called the cardiovascular system, that flow in the closed cardiovascular system, consisting of blood vessels and two-fold chamber heart. Two-fold chamber heart. The minimum two-chamber heart and the maximum two-fold chamber heart. Artery carry blood to the capillary. Our artery is the type of blood vessels that carry blood to the capillary. Signs of chemical action between the blood into the interstitial fluid. On the other hand, when return blood from capillary to the heart, when return blood from the capillaries to the heart, okay? And a fish heart has two main chambers, one ventricle and one atrium. But from ventricle travels to the gills where it picks up oxygen gas and disposes of carbon dioxide gas. Amphibians, frogs, and other amphibians have a three-chamber heart with two atria and one ventricle. The ventricle pumps blood into the frog artery. It splits the ventricle output into the pulmocutaneous circuit and the systemic circuit. We call double circuit because it has pulmocutaneous circuit and systemic circuit. Okay, and then we speak about the reptile circulation. Reptile, except birds and crocodile. Reptiles also have double circulation with a pulmonary circuit or lung and a systemic circuit. Turtle, snake, or lizard have a three-chamber heart with a septum partially dividing the single ventricle. Okay, and mammal and bird. In the mammal or bird, the ventricle is completely divided into separate right and left chamber, separate throughout right hand and left hand. Okay, the left side of the heart pump and receives only oxygen-rich blood. In the left side, oxygen-rich blood, while the right side receives and pumps only oxygen-poor blood. The right side, oxygen-poor blood. A powerful pole of four-chamber heart was an essential adaptation of the endothermic way of life characteristic of animals and birds. It's more efficiently deliver oxygenated blood to tissues. This picture, you can observe that each heart pump only oxygen poor blood to the gill, and gill has the gas action to the oxygen-rich blood, tend to be the oxygen-rich blood and go to systemic circulation to give oxygen to the cells and receive the carbon dioxide to the blood vessels. Blood in the blood vessel come from oxygen-poor blood and return to the heart again. Okay, I wish you can observe many kinds of animals about the vertebrate circulatory system. I think you have this picture, and I wish you label or you pen or you color picture. What color about the heart, about the one side of color, what color is the right side and the left side, the different colors of the blood. Okay, this is the end about the vertebrate circulatory system and circulatory systems about the animal. And the next slide we will speak about the human circulatory system, and we will talk about the heart or human heart. Okay, see you